Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandu Kongara here. If you haven't watched my videos before, please do like, share and subscribe. With fall just around the corner, it's the perfect time for the incoming fall students to start thinking about their professional goals and how they can leverage platforms like LinkedIn to achieve them. Today I'm excited to share with you some valuable tips on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile for success as you embark on your academic journey this fall. LinkedIn isn't just a place to upload your resume and forget about it. It's a dynamic platform where you can showcase your skills, connect with industry professionals, and discover exciting opportunities. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of LinkedIn this fall. Let's start with your profile picture and headline. Your profile picture is the first thing people see when they visit your profile, so make sure it's professional and high quality. Your headline is like your elevator pitch. It should grab attention and convey who you are and what you are passionate about. Use keywords related to your field of interest to make your profile more discoverable. Your LinkedIn About section is a chance to tell your story and showcase your personality. Use this space to share your goals, academic achievements, and any relevant experiences. Keep it concise yet engaging, and don't be afraid to inject some personality into it. Another thing is with your profile URL. Did you know you can customize your LinkedIn profile URL to make it more professional and memorable? Simply navigate to your profile settings and edit your public profile URL to include your name or a variation of it. This makes it easier for others to find you and remember your profile. Your LinkedIn cover photo is another important element of your profile. It's the first thing people see when they visit your profile, so make sure it's visually appealing and relevant to your personal brand. Consider using a professional photo that showcases your interests, aspiration, or personality. Now let's talk about the experience section. This is where you will list your internships, part-time jobs, volunteer work, and other relevant experiences. Be sure to include detailed descriptions of your responsibilities and achievements, and don't forget to quantify your impact whenever possible. This will help recruiters and hiring managers understand the value you can bring to their organization. Endorsements and recommendations are valuable social proof of LinkedIn. Encourage your connections to endorse your skills and write recommendations based on their experiences working with you. This adds credibility to your profile and can help you stand out to potential employers. LinkedIn offers some fantastic features to help you stand out, such as the Top Voice program and the Open to Work feature. The Top Voice program recognizes LinkedIn members who consistently contribute high quality content and engage with their network. If you are passionate about a particular topic, consider sharing your insights and joining relevant conversation to increase your visibility and credibility. Along with that, networking is a crucial aspect of LinkedIn. So don't be shy about connecting with classmates, professors, alumni, and professionals in your field. Personalize your connection request with a brief message to make a memorable impression and start building meaningful relationships. The Open to Work feature is a great way to let recruiters know that you are actively seeking new opportunities. You can easily turn it on in the LinkedIn settings, and it adds a green option to the Open to Work banner to your profile photo. This helps recruiters identify potential candidates and can increase your chance of being contacted about job opportunities. Engagement is key to staying active and visible on LinkedIn. Like, comment, and share relevant content in your field to show that you are engaged in your industry. This will help you stay top of mind with your network and increase your visibility on the platform. Lastly, take advantage of the LinkedIn features like the Jobs tab and the Learning platform to explore opportunities and expand your skill set. Join groups and follow influencers in your industry to stay informed about the latest trends and developments. And don't forget to regularly update your profile with new experiences and achievements to keep it fresh and relevant. And there you have it, my top tips for optimize your LinkedIn profile this fall. Remember, LinkedIn is not just a platform for job seekers. It's a powerful tool for building your professional network and personal brand. So make sure you put your best foot forward and start making meaningful connections today. I will also share a template message that I used in LinkedIn during my co-op search, which helped me secure a co-op offer at the end of the semester. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.